Hey cousins, it is your girl cousin Rosie, and in this video I'm going to show you how I use my Rosamae Yam Spice. Y'all heard me right, Yam Spice. They got pumpkin spice, so why not yam? Because you know we don't do pumpkin, right? Okay, so in here I have everything that I use in my baked candy yams that is featured in my book I Heart Soul Food, and it's also on my blog. So it has the sugar, brown sugar, I have my vanilla powder, cinnamon, clove, ginger, all of the good stuff is in here. So you no longer have to go to the store, buy vanilla and everything separately. Buy this package, be good to go. So I'm gonna show you how to use it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get a stick of butter. Now my butter is already softened. It doesn't matter, I just had this out for a while. So I'm going to get my stick of butter and I'm going to open it or just shake it out, cut this off. Would have looked better if it was harder, but it's okay. It's still gonna work. I got butter on my shirt. So I have that on medium, and we're going to just let the butter melt. So this yam spice can be found on RosaMaeSeasonings.com. It is $12 for the pack. It is an 8-ounce pack, and you can use this whole pack for about 4 to 6 pounds, depending on how sweet you want your yams, okay? Not only do you use this for, or can you use this for the yams, you can also use it for sweet potato pie. So if you follow my recipe for sweet potato pie, instead of using all the goods and stuff like that, if you just use a package of this for a whole pie, you should be good. Unless you want it extra sweet, you can use 2 packages. Depends on how big your pie is, okay? All right, so yam spice, baby. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to melt the butter, and I'm going to open up this package. Confession, this package is already open because I'm addicted to the way it smells. So I just open it and I sniff it. It smells like Christmas. You can smell the cinnamon, the ginger, like everything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the whole thing in there. Just like so. I have my oven on 400. I'm gonna leave these uncovered, FYI, but you can cut the butter up in small little slices, place it on top of the yams, and then you can sprinkle it on. You can do it like that as well. And also, even though I'm making these baked, you can also make stovetop yams. You can make any type of yams that you want candied with this. Okay. So, I am simply just, you can spoon it out. I don't know what this is called. I'm using a whisk, so am I whisking it out? Technically, no. But we're gonna say that's what I'm doing. It smells so good. Like, oh my God, the cinnamon. It smells like Red Hots. Y'all remember the Red Hot candies or hot tamales and stuff like that? That's what it smells like. I'm just gonna use this big spoon because it's the first thing that I found. I'm just gonna smother these yams. Or some people, I know somebody's gonna say this, okay? Because they say this every time I make yams. Those aren't yams, those are sweet potatoes. Here in the U.S. of the A, we call these yams, okay? So they're yams, because I said so. And because everybody else says so, up here. So, once these cook, go in the oven, this is gonna melt a little more. It's gonna drizzle on down to the other yams. We are going to let it bake for about, I'm gonna say 20 minutes. And then I'm gonna take it out of the oven, mix everything around, make sure everything's nicely coated. Then I'm gonna put it back in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, okay? Uncovered. Let's do that. Tried to put it down gracefully. Hey, don't get my dirty oven, boy. I thought it was clean. I'm done. All right, cousins, so the yams are done. You see the syrup at the bottom? I'm just gonna go ahead and, oh my God. Remember, I use a whole pack of this for about 4 to 6 pounds, okay? I'm just gonna get that syrup at the bottom. And if you like your like yams to have like a thicker syrup, all you have to do is add maybe a tablespoon of cornstarch. So you can smell the cinnamon, the nutmeg, the ginger, the vanilla, everything. It is like, woo! Something else. Something else, y'all. But y'all, that's it. Candied yams made easy. You don't have to go to the store and get the expensive vanilla. Have y'all seen how much vanilla is now? It's expensive, okay? No more of that. You don't have to go to the store, get the expensive vanilla, brown sugar, and all that other stuff. It's all right here. That's it, all right? All right, y'all, so don't forget to follow me on my blog, iHeartRecipes.com, for more free recipes. If y'all want the hookup for the yams, go over to RosaMae Seasonings.com so that you can place your order. RosaMae Seasonings is also on Facebook and Instagram. We're always having sales. I'm always giving discount codes, so make sure that you're following on both Facebook and Instagram. Make sure you're following our mailing list so you know when we restock items and get new stuff in. And if y'all want behind the scene footage of my videos and my other businesses and other stuff like that, go ahead, follow me on Facebook, RosaMae, and I'm also on Instagram. I am RosaMae. And of course, I Heart Recipes, y'all. You already know. Later, Cousin Rosie, signing out.